Hey guys, welcome back. This is an updated video of my previous video on the VIC and the VHIC, but I'm still going to treat this as a brand new video, so people who just happen to see it don't have to go back and look for the old video. But I am going to get to the update right away. The update that is being put out is unbelievably boring. The veteran identification card is just a card that says you served. That's it. Has nothing to do with benefits. They're sending it through email now. That's it. I mean, they have been for a while. Some still are. Some still haven't caught up yet. And that means the different VA facilities. But they're sending it to you. And the reason is, from my understanding, what I'm hearing is because the driver's license will actually have the V on there that shows you're a veteran. That's literally all the veteran identification card does. That is it. Nothing special, nothing big. You're just getting it by email instead. Now, for the people who want to know how to get the VIC card or the VHIC card, stay with me. I'm going to walk through this. It's not going to be torturous to you. It's going to be easy, and we're going to get it done really quick. And I'll explain some of the benefits that you do get by not having the VHIC card. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't have a veteran health identification card. I was medically retired after 13 and a half years, so I have a retired ID. I was retired from active duty. And then, so when I came over to the VA side, I basically get a retirement ID and with the benefits that come along with it. The Veteran Health Identification Card is just for identifying that you're a veteran. You're honorably discharged. I can't talk today. Honorably discharged. That's all it is. And then so you can get benefits like, you're at the grocery store and it's like, hey, do you guys give discounts for veterans? Oh yeah, we give 10%. All it is. That's literally all it is. Now, the Veteran Health Identification Card, VHIC, VHIC, if you want to say it that way, it's what you get when you receive benefits from the VA, meaning medical. You're seen for health reasons and stuff that had happened while you're on active duty. Big bonus, you can get on active duty installations with that. Some of you are going to come back and bark at me on this. You can be 0% and still be a disabled veteran. Compensation does not warrant if you are a disabled veteran or not. There is a difference. Don't get in that political thing or I remember once they told me this or this VSO told me this. It changes so much that no one's an expert. I will never be an expert. Everyone's like, you're an expert. I'm an expert because I take the time to look into everything, figure it out when I'm asked, or when I go to events and speak about veterans or myself being a veteran and switching over. They ask me all these questions. And these are some of the most common questions that come up or things that pop up. And I research it some more and I come tell you guys. Okay, let's go on here and look at the step-by-step process on how to get these cards. They're both different, but they can both be done online. Although the Veteran Health Identification Card, I would honestly say go into their ID department and get it done there. They can take your picture. It's easier. Boom. Faster, I think. Okay, if you see here online, and I'll have this link directly to this, how to apply, you can sign in and do it that way. Social Security number, digital copy or D214, 256, 257, PH, I have no clue, National Guard, uploaded, PDF, so copy your D214, and if you need your D214 and you got out after 1992, because that's when they started digitally putting it there, you watch my video on how to get a copy of D214 like that. I'm talking within a few minutes. I always say 72 hours because it's government, but there. It'll be linked in with this. Copy of your current valid government ID, your driver's license, easy, passport. Digital copy of yourself. This is if you're uploading. Then explain everything here. I'm not going to go through it. And then what happens afterwards? Well, they'll check your eligibility, character of discharge, ID submitted, image chosen, and then they'll be sent to you. Now let me show you the Veteran Health Identification Card. Here's the page. How do I get my VHIC? So how to get it? Go online, in person. Online, this will take you over there and tell you what you need to upload. Basically, it's the same thing. It's your driver's license, passport, D214, photo, blah, 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 do it online. The reason I like doing this part in person is because you're actually sitting in front of them. They're putting the information and taking your picture right then and there. Bring your ID, say, just exactly the same thing. If your ID doesn't show your address, you'll need to bring a separate document to confirm your address. This could be electric bill, cable bill, voter registration card, or because I had a heck of a time switching from Indiana VA to Florida. If you're online, it tells you how to do everything. Both cards are used differently, and once you've applied, give it a couple of weeks, it'll be sent to you. Don't wait till the last minute on stuff, especially when it comes to the VA. On your VHIC, Veteran Health Identification Card, make sure it says Disabled Veteran. You have both, so they're hitting the mic. You have both sides, and right there in the center, it says Disabled Veteran. Some of them have changed down below underneath your picture. Government, things change. Make sure that's on there. That will get you on base. And also remember that each base does not have to allow you to do certain things. It is a privilege, not a right. I have my retired ID. I'm allowed to go on and off just like I was on active duty. I have no restrictions. The VA card is because we served, we're disabled veterans, we're allowed to go on base, okay? Some places will let you go one way, some places will let you go another. Work with them, ask questions, and a lot of times you can go on the base website. It'll tell you what you can and cannot do there. Thanks, guys, for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If I brought you some value today, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification button, and please, please share this. It changes all the time, and the only way we're going to help each other is if we share this and get the information out. Thank you, guys. I've got some more videos coming out. Especially look for this next one coming out. It has to do with our children going to school and how they can make over $50,000 going to school. Stipend. Tax-free. Talk to you guys soon.